Hello, all you privileged folks out there. Today, I got one of my buddies, Tyrell. I'm gonna go up and ride with him. I'm not sure who he has with him, but my wrist is still a little sore from that hit I took a couple days ago. So I'm probably just gonna take it easy and try and do a bunch of filming today. I got about 10 more minutes of driving and we'll be up the canyon. Anyways, we will catch you on the mountain.
I mean, I know a mechanic shop that hired him, so.
What do you mean? That was the best wrench out there. They called me when they needed to get shit done.
Hold the flashlight.
I got hit bad. What do you gotta do? Why do you gotta mess with them so much, dude? God. Stop. Damn baboons. That's why your parents don't like you, both of you. Can you get out of my ass? Touching my wiener, my ass. God, he just
Now.
wants everything from me now.
Piss on my head.
Oh, come on, you can still get him. That didn't end well.
That's what you get.
This is how it happens every time. And Briggs is gonna come back swinging.
Oh, you landed right on a tree. What are you doing, guy?
Little tree that could. Come on, little buddy.
Dude, he's smaller than you.
So you look like you're going out over there.
Shut up, Briggs.
You must be really into Quakies, bro.
He likes the trees.
He likes Aspen name.
They're pretty fun, you know.
Yeah, buddy. Look who decided to show up.
Thanks for joining the party. Curious to see what's going to happen here with Tyrell. It's kind of a cluster. Oh, he's going to give him an old tug. Oh, yeah. There we go. We made her. Yeah, buddy. I didn't know you were a finger guy.
A finger guy?
Yeah.
100%.
Huh.
I can't ride without it, dude.
That's crazy.
Like, it improves.
Something ain't right.
You got an engine light on or anything?
No, dude, it's not throwing any codes at anything.
That sounds weird as
You
hell.
want to go down and back to 2 now? Is your what'd you go to now?
Oh yeah.
Best
Damn,
seats ever made.
he must have really been in there.
What's up?
Hi, Tyrell. I need your toolkit again. What? I need your tools again.
Was it Brody in the tree?
Cycles and sleds?
Will they do it tonight?
I bet we get him to do it tonight.
Tyrell, should we just tune my sled tonight?
This damn kid.
Good. I just don't want to blow it up.
Yeah. That's so damn weird. nice, very nice.
That shit was fun.
That was good stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
I need the 146.
A little bit. I can't figure out how
Oh no, oh no.
I can't figure it out. I don't know if I'm jumping too late, too early.
Here comes the rest of the crew. Hell yeah! Oh. Oh, that's the throttle. Oh, shit.
You're kicking my ass!
Dude, you're so damn close.
My skis locked up like I got ice in them or something.
Oh,
when I hit
really?
it. About right there, it locked up.
You got lucky. Hell yeah. Dude, that was so close. Yeah, baby! Dude, you went from like a B plus to like a D minus.
That's tough. Yeah. Quitting time for you? That's tough. I don't know what the hell to do is. It's so rough coming in.